By 2025, over 75% of financial advisors are expected to use AI in portfolio management. So here's the question. Why are you still investing like it's 1995? This is Ripperware Analytics, and today we're breaking down how AI is making investing smarter, faster, and beginner-friendly. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. If you're new to investing, you've probably faced this. You don't know where to start. You're afraid of losing money, and there are way too many tools out there. Even the most motivated beginners get stuck in analysis paralysis. And that's where AI flips the script. AI doesn't just crunch numbers, it simplifies the process. With today's tools, you choose your risk level. The AI builds your portfolio, and you get real-time adjustments based on you, not someone else's strategy. Tools like FinChat, Composer, and our own AI trading toolkit offer complete setups for beginners. No coding, no finance degree needed. Take Kyle, a subscriber who used our AI toolkit for his first trade. No background in finance. After 4 weeks, he was tracking gains, setting stop losses, and making data-backed trades, with AI doing the heavy lifting. This is what investing should feel like in 2025. AI investing removes the overwhelm. It gives beginners confidence, clarity, and the control to grow their money without guessing. If this helped you see the bigger picture, check out our other videos on AI investing tools and beginner strategies. Drop your questions in the comments, smash that like, and hit subscribe, right here at Ripperware Analytics.